How to withdraw money from Binance to Union Bank. So the steps are so simple to follow. After you open the Binance app like this, now go to spot. Now go to trades. After you come to this trade like this, now go to swipe to left like this and go to P2P. Under this P2P, now all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this currency and make sure to choose USD. Choose USD in the currency. So make sure the USD to be your default currency. After you select the USD in this option now, tap on this sell button. So from this option now, tap on this bank payment. So after you tap on the payment, from this option now, go and search for Union. So after you tap on the Union, as you can see now here, it says Union Bank. Tap on this, as you can see now here, it says Union Bank and Western Union. So go and select the one that you want to use. For me, I will use this Union Bank. After you tap on the Union Bank, tap on this confirm button. So from this option now, go and tap on this amount. So from this amount now, go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw 200 USD. After you specify the amount you want to withdraw, as you can see now, Union Bank. So scroll to down, as you can see now, the Union Bank, this one is for Philippines. So I will just tap on this option now and change it to Union Bank for the USD. Union. So make sure to choose this one, Western Union. This Western Union is the one for USD. So confirm. So from this option now, you can be able now to see the different people that are willing to send you USD into your Union Bank and give them USDT in return. So let's say I want to send it to this person. So tap on this sell button. So after you tap on the sell button, now here is the amount. All you have to do now, tap on this select a payment method. So from this option now, go ahead and add Western Union. If you tap on this add Western Union, it will ask you to type in your Western Union account details. After you finish adding your account details, now go back. Now the account details will appear like this now. If you tap on this place order now, this person will go ahead now and send you 200 amount of USD into your Union Bank account. From there, he will receive 198 and 198.65 USDT. You will give him and he will send you 200 USD. After the person has sent you the USD into your Union Bank, after you confirm you receive the USD, from there the person this place order button will change to receive. So if you receive the order, this place order, it will change to receive. From there, if you tap on the receive button, from there Binance will give him the USDT, and that's all. That's all. The person now has sent you the USD into your Union Bank, and now you give him USDT in return. That's it, guys.